It's great to have you along on this Sunday evening, our weather impact alert day. And were you surprised by the snow this morning? We told you about it several days ago that you'd wake up to it. And look at this. It continues across the area. Widespread snow. And we're not quite done with it yet. I still think some heavier bursts of snow going to be ahead. And it's going to be a very rare situation that's going to be unfolding. This has been such an impressive early season winter type of system. Lake effect snow. Now, typically we don't think about that for Northwest Ohio because the wind flow isn't quite right. But this is going to be a very unique, unusual pattern with a northeast wind coming off of Lake Huron right down over Lake St. Clair that is going to bring some bands of lake effect snow here into Northwest Ohio. And speaking of it, it is the season for it. It is just really hammering snow right now across South Bend over northern Indiana. Perhaps if you had any travel tonight down the Indiana Toll Road, heads up to this. They could get a foot or more of snow out toward South Bend. Now we had several inches of snow, 2-3 inches of snow out there west of Toledo, up into Hillsdale County earlier this morning. You woke up to a winter wonderland. Now it's been quite some time. It's been a rain-snow mix much of the day east of I-75. Now making that transition that we're after dark to snow, and it will begin to accumulate for our areas east of Toledo. A little bit more sensitive version on Doppler radar. There's some of the steadier snow bands still lingering in the Toledo metro. Now beginning to pick up east of I-75 as we drop back below freezing. And this is critical. We're right at that 32-degree mark. We're going to fall back into the 20s tonight, mid to upper 20s, and anything that's out there is going to freeze and become very icy and slippery. So heads up to a very slow and icy start to the morning into our Monday. Look over downtown Toledo, a little bit of light snow. And again, any roadways that are wet could refreeze tonight with a very slippery and slow start to Monday morning. So temperatures will plunge tonight. More snow is going to be likely, and an icy and slippery Monday is going to be unfolding. Most of the snow showers will wrap up early Monday morning. We're actually going to see some sunshine return, but a very cold looking day Monday. It'll feel a whole lot like winter as we go through Monday. Hour by hour forecast. Here's some of those steadier snow showers, a couple scattered snow squalls, which are heavier bursts of snow. Now I mentioned the lake effect snow. Here it is, that band of snow coming right off of Lake Erie. This is very unusual, but where we get this band, it could bring a quick inch of snow, most likely I-75 and east. That's where we're going to see our better chance of snow as we go into our Monday morning. How much additional snow, where we get that lake effect snow band inland from the lake, 1 to 2 inches of snow will be possible. West of I-75, where you already had a decent amount of snow, it may be an additional inch. So generally speaking, most areas around an inch. Areas east of I-75, 1 to 2 inches of additional snow tonight. Weather impact alert day continues into Monday. Some snow into the morning hours. It is going to be a cold, breezy day. 37 the high on Tuesday for Veterans Day, 46 Wednesday, 51 as we get into Thursday, and back into the 50s for Friday and Saturday, and could see a high toward 60 degrees as we get toward the end of the weekend on Sunday, with rain chances back late in the weekend.